Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these S'mores Brownies. Let's begin. So to start on the brownies, you'll want to make the digestive biscuit base, placing your digestive biscuits into your food processor and blitzing them down until they are a crumb consistency, adding in the butter and then mixing it until the butter and the biscuits are combined. It will look like wet sand. You can then take this mixture from your food processor and place into the bottom of a 9x9 square baking tin or tray or something similar, making sure that the tray is lined as it will make the brownies easy to get out. And once you've got all of that digestive biscuit mixture into the bottom of your tin or tray, you will then start pressing it down. I used a spatula and then a cup measurement, but you can use whatever works best for you, and you'll just want to get it pretty compressed. So to start on the brownies, you'll want to add your cocoa powder to your melted butter and whisk until it's smooth and glossy. Once it's smooth and glossy, you can then add in your sugar and just give it a good whisk until it's all fully incorporated. You will notice that the mixture does become more granular, and this is completely normal. You can then start to add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and as the eggs are incorporated you will know that the mixture becomes less granular and much smoother. This is completely normal and what you want. With the last egg, don't forget to add in the vanilla as well. And the final step of adding ingredients in is to add in the flour and the chocolate chips, and then just fold that in using a spatula and mix it until combined, being careful not to take it too far and over mixing the brownie batter. Once there's no traces of any ingredients, stop. You can then get the digestive base that you made earlier on and just pour on the brownie batter, and it will pretty much level itself out very well anyway, as the batter is quite liquid. But you may need to just level it out into the corners and to the centre just to make it so it bakes consistently. Once you've got it all levelled out and everything, you'll want to place it to your preheated oven. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which will be linked in the description down below. So once your brownies are baked and fresh out of the oven, you'll want to start to place your marshmallows on top. You could do it afterwards, but while it's warm they will melt onto the top better. You'll just want to get them as level and consistent as possible with no patches, if that makes any sense. I just kind of press the marshmallows down a little bit so they're secured in place, and then get my blowtorch and start to torch them, making it darker in some areas as I like it quite dark. And be careful that you don't set the greaseproof paper on fire, as well I did about 4 times. Please just don't do that. You can torch the marshmallow as much or as little as you like, it's really up to you and your preference. If you don't have a blowtorch, don't worry, you can just place it under the grill until it's golden brown. So that is my take on how to make S'mores Brownies. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out all of my social media and my blog. Everything will be linked in the description down below. If you are interested in any of that, please let me know if you make these, and until next week, bye guys.